Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? Hope everything will be fine. Let me introduce myself. My name is Aldi Sirojudin. I'm from 12th grade TITLC. Okay. Today I will present how to make instant milk drink. The tools and material I use are 1 sachet of instant milk, hot water, a glass, and a spoon. Okay, the first step, pour 1 sachet instant milk to a glass. Oh yeah, this is not endorsed ya, but it's okay, no problem.
Oh my god! What is that?
Okay. Second, enough add enough hot water. Oh my god. Ah. Okay. Third, stir until this lovely. Wow. And last, ready to drink. Okay. Not bad.
Oke. Sekian, terima kasih. Ah, gagal. Tidak,